Okay. Again, we're looking at this plant. It's just an ordinary plant. But again, what do we have inside it? You guys will find this very shocking. Have you ever seen a bird living in a plant? I have never seen one before in my life. Let's just hope these little birds don't attack me, or the mother doesn't attack me. Let's look it up. Don't worry. Yep. That's what it looks like inside this plant. I'm not going to touch those eggs because, you know, those little birds have little things for them. They probably have goals like I do. We all have goals, and we want to let those birds live a long time. Hurting animals is wrong, but sometimes if you have to eat, but I would choose to eat vegetables. That's why I want to be a vegetable person. How you doing there, you fellow birds? And you could hear the dogs right across the street. But let's see again. This place is where birds live. And I hope people notice that this could be your house. But we never hurt the birds no matter what. Even if they're living in a place like this. We make ourselves feel like we're captains. It's like we're having our own country, like I have all my Facebook friends. And I have these birds on my side too. And cut.